name's Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hot cocoa recipe with non-fat milk. It is so easy to make a quick, delicious, and healthy version of hot cocoa without using one of those packets that have all the preservatives and fake colors and flavorings in them. To get started, you'll want a cup of hot milk. In a glass, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of sweetener. The cocoa powder I'm using today is a unsweetened raw cocoa powder, perfect for baking. For the sugar, you could use a teaspoon of your favorite sugar substitute, or today I'm just using an organic sugar, but you could use some honey or agave nectar instead. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of my hot milk to the sugar and cocoa, and I'm going to mix it together. You could use a fork, but today I'm just going to use a little whisk. It just makes it a lot quicker and easier. Once the cocoa, milk, and sugar is mixed together perfectly, I can add the remaining milk. Now my hot cocoa is ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make hot cocoa with non-fat milk. Enjoy.